sunrise. And the workers of Barker Morrissey Contracting are starting their day at the University of Arizona Solar Tech Park, 38.5 acres located at I-10 and Kolb Road in Tucson, Arizona. Vis Solis LLC, a subsidiary of SolMotion of Germany, is the project's designer and developer. Chosen for this 6.1 megawatt solar photovoltaic project begun in December 2011 in joint venture with AstroSol, the Chinese solar panel manufacturer. Vis Solis has completed one of their largest solar projects in the United States. $15 million will be invested in this project upon completion. This story is about the extraordinary achievements of Vis Solis and their network of partners.
My name is Michael Volz. My position is CEO in SolMotion company. It's a German company doing solar projects in Germany, in Italy, and since last year in the US. Consumption of energy in the US is almost double per household, is almost double what we have in Germany. So it's a huge demand on electricity, on power, what the US market needs. And this is what we are happy to bring our part in and to provide something on this market to satisfy this huge demand and to do that with a so-called green energy. It is for sure, and it is essential that we have to use natural sources for our energy consumption, what we have in the future. We cannot rely simply on oil reserves or on gas reserves or whatever we have, which are built over millions of years, and we just use it up in our industrial society. Solar is affordable for, I say, for everybody. Solar is affordable for the households, solar is affordable for the industrial sector, and solar does not cost more in the not too distant future than what we have to pay for other electricity sources. It's of utmost importance to have a partner building a project you can 100% rely on. Barker Morrissey is a company well known in the solar business here in Tucson. And Barker Morrissey was recommended to us by the TEP, the Tucson Electricity Power Company, as well as from the North American Development Bank.
I'm the project manager for the project. I oversee the entire construction process. Vis Solis has been extremely aggressive about getting us information and hiring the appropriate people to help back us up. The project is started initially by doing the layout for the field.
Step 1. The surveying. Shooting the line of sight for the string nails, laying out each center post set 13 feet 10 inches apart. Leveling is checked by hand as the posts are driven. Despite today's laser technology, good old-fashioned string lines level one post to another. After the posts or piles have been set, the heads, slotted for movement up and down, are installed. Each head is lined and adjusted for straightness and grade. Next, two-piece binders, aluminum 40-pound knee braces, are hooked into the heads. These mounting binders hold the aluminum purlins that are part of the racking system. Each purlin is 49 feet 6 inches long, weighing 75 pounds, with 4 purlins to a rack or table. Secured by top and bottom framing, all done by hand for precision, and soon to be ready for the photovoltaic modules. The materials for the racking system are made locally by Schletter. The solar park has 1,150 tables.
At that time, we'll also start the underground electric work, which will be trenching, and we will install all of the conduits. After that, we will be installing the modules.
Each module represents 125 to 130 watts of energy. AstroSol carefully packs 640 modules to a container. 2 of these large containers are installed each day. This accounts for a total of 48,000 panels here at the solar park, with 42 panels or modules per table.
I'm Carlos Meyer. I'm managing owner of the company Vis Solis LLC in Franklin, Tennessee. AstroSol took over the project rights, let's say the the power purchase agreement as well as the land lease agreement, and engaged with Solis here to structure the project, to design the electrical layout, here to finance, to install and operate the project. We are promoting here Astronergy's thin film products, which are more efficient than any of the competitors, are really having a pleasant appearance, generate more electricity used during the manufacturing process, less energy and less raw material. So this is a high competitive and product and good for the environment too.
Thin film modules are simply more efficient in the desert, in high temperature situations like Arizona.
The project is fully commissioned sometime in May this year. It will generate about 12 million kilowatt hours per year. So assuming an average of 12,000 kilowatt hours per household here in Arizona, this means we're serving about 1,000 households in this area. And we save about 8.3 million metric tons in CO2 emission. The University of Arizona spends a great deal here of doing research and development here in solar. The most unique thing about the project is certainly the technology. Solis has now a step here in the door of the Southwest. We want to be EPC contractor of choice here for other projects here in this area.
The network of professionals and their relationships with Solis and the solar plant project is the difference, starting with the Tech Park authorities, Tucson Electric Power, the North American Development Bank, and Barker Morrissey, our local contractor. It's our partnership with Astronergy and all the suppliers, scientists, and engineers, the right people and technology that make the difference.
Solis means the power of the sun. This is what we bring to the people.